Hello, good morning. So we'll continue the next topic. Yesterday we have seen the execution flow of action result. So today we will discuss about different types of actions available in our .NET MVC. That's what we are going to learn. Okay. So basically, what are different type of actions? See, when we are working with when you want to display one view, then what will happen? So we need one type of result. For example, in your Naukri portal or somewhere, if you want to upload your resume, then what will come? Browse will come. That is different action result. That means it's a file type. So if you want to display some success message or something, or if you want to display certain string only, then that is different type of action result. For example, if you want to redirect from one action result to another action result, sir, what is this action result, sir? Okay. So this action result. See, because here we kept what? Action result. So this is like abstract class for this is like a base class for all action results. Okay. So basically here, if I keep content result, something will happen. Okay. So, so we need to write something like this. Okay. So if I keep some other result, file content result, something needs to happen here again. So yeah. So if I keep empty result, something else needs to written here. If I keep JSON result, JavaScript result, or something else result, we need to do something else with that. Okay. So these are all different types of action results, actions available in our ASP.NET MVC. Okay. So what are different types of actions? I will explain now. So basically this action result, so whatever we have seen now, these are all actions. Our real action result, whatever we have, that is like a base class for all the action results. Okay, that is like a base class for all the action results. See, even though I kept action result, I'm able to return my content. If I keep something else like JSON result or something, it will throw error. Why? Because previously whatever I shown that action result, that is like a base class for all the classes. That is the reason it is accepting. Okay. So we have 12 action results available in our MVC. Okay, so I will explain each and everything individual, and after After if people note down this one, we'll see with program examples in real time. Content result. What is content result? Like, see, it will simply return a string. For example, welcome to MVC controller, something one. So similarly, whatever you want to go with that, you can go with content result. File content result, file path result, file stream result. So all these things are related to file only. So we have one example for that, this one. So they are all combined in one result, that is what file result. So we will see this program and I will explain. Okay, how that will work and all. That is so interesting. We'll see that. Empty result. For example, if you are trying to get some user details from a database and if the user does not exist. So for example, if you want to display some data in your Facebook, but when you connect to database, there is no data matching for that. Now what we need to display? Empty result. So it will return nothing. Okay, like that. JavaScript result. So if you want to return some JavaScript related code, so then we'll go for JavaScript result. So we have one example for that. And JSON. JSON is the most used real-time one. Okay, so basically JSON, how the JSON will return means, see, we will store the values in key value format. Okay, so like this, see, this name is what? Key, and this ID is value or something like. So we have a couple of examples for a JSON result. So like this. So data will be displayed in this format and we'll see how it will work and all. I will explain. JSON. Okay. So that is one of the most important. I will explain how the structure and all for JSON. So redirect to result. For example, if you specify some URL and if you ask your action result to redirect to that particular one, then it will redirect. Okay. So for example, if you want to redirect from one route to another route, then we can redirect. If you want to redirect from one action to another action, then the redirection will happen. So I will show that how it will work. Unauthorized result. So this is related to errors only. For example, if you don't have any access for something, if you want to display unauthorized something 404 error, 403 error. So when we open our website, sometimes we used to get the errors, right? Because of this one only, this result. So this is redirected route. I already explained, right? View result. Whatever we are working now, that is view only. And partial view result. This is also similar to our view result only. But partial. So I will show one example for partial view. But when we enter into partial view concept, I will explain that separately. Okay. So this is what different actions available in our MVC. I will explain one more time. People see here. So first one, content result. What is content result? If you want to display some group of string or group of content, then we'll go for content result. File. So I will combine all these things and I will keep in one place. That is what file result. So this file result is responsible for uploading file or downloading file or getting the file information, or if you want to get the file path result. And for example, if we encode the file stream output or something, in that case, all the file related. So we'll use this action result, empty result. If you don't want to return anything, then we'll go for empty result. JavaScript result. JavaScript result is nothing but our JavaScript related code only. If you want to execute JavaScript related script execution, then we'll go for it. JSON result. JSON result is one of the most important real-time used one. So JSON result is nothing but it will display JSON format. Okay. And redirect to result. So our redirect to route result. So For example, if you want to redirect from one route to another route, or one page to another page, or one action to another action, in that case, we'll go for this function. Sometimes if you don't have access or something, so we used to get some 404 error, page not found error, kind of errors we used to get on our UI, right? So because of this action result. Okay. And after that, view result and partial view. So both are related to our view, HTML view. So how they will work and all, we'll see with some, so many examples. We have so many examples. We'll see all of them. Okay, just note down this theory, and after that, the different types of action results, whatever I have written here. So after that, we'll go for the problems. This is one of the most important interview question. Uh, when you're going for interviews, definitely this is also one of the most important. Yes, this is so important. Please note down. We, so this is whatever we have seen here. This is action method. This action method consists of different action results. Like, this is one action result. This action result, whatever you are seeing, this is the base class for all the action results. So like, it can accept multiple types of action results or action methods or actions. These are all called actions. This is one action, this is one action, this is one action, this is one action. This action result is base class, and so that can support more than one action. Only action result consists of more than one action's definition, and others consists of a single definition only. No, they're different actions. That's what I'm saying. They can return different types of data. Okay, so can we move to programs? So please refer this line. Okay, so I'm moving to the program. So I have given the definition here. Please go through that. First, we'll go with content result only. So this view result, anyway, we have seen. We'll do one thing. First, we'll go with view result. So basically, what is the action result here? So what we are returning here, we can return content. Okay, we can return view, everything we can do. Similarly, see, now I kept, hey, what is the error? Breakpoint. Okay, now see what we have done here. So action result, we are able to return view here, right? So we have a separate view result also. What is this view result? This view result will also return view. But this action result is base class for all the actions. Okay, what are different types of actions available in the in ASP.NET MVC? So different types of actions available in MVC are all these things: content result, file content result, file path result, file stream result, empty result, JavaScript result, JSON result, all these things. These are all different types of actions. Okay, so who is holding all these actions? Like, so see, individually these are holding, and also we have one action called action result. This is like base class for all the actions. That is the result. See, what will happen in base class? If we have some base class, so whatever the properties we have in our base class, we can access them in our derived class. Yes or no? Okay. Why is it running? See, from where it is derived, action result class. Got it now? People got it now? So now I will try to write a few more. Make it content. Content. Okay. So just ignore the errors. Why? Because we need to follow some specific syntax for this. Okay. So see, now this action result. So this is like base class for all the actions. That's what I told. Now go to the definition of this one, view result. Now this is inheriting which class? View result base. Go to that class again. From where it is coming? Action result. So that is the reason action result is the base class for all the actions available in MVC. Now we'll see one more. This one. Function of 12. Go to the definition. See, directly we are getting this one. So what is happening here? So this is like a base class for all the actions or action methods, I can say. Action method. So this content result is one action method. or this view result is one action method, or something else. JavaScript result is one action method. So these are all coming from where? This class. Okay, got it now? Who's that? Garima and Padmavati Bhaskar. Got it now? The difference? What is that now? What about other? Padmavati? Got it. So others, anyone have still questions? So this is so easy concept. This is so easy concept. Don't get confused with that. So it's you can it's after going to examples, you will get it in 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay. So now we'll see. I will show the output. I will show the output. We did not wrote the program, right? I will show the output. Okay. So now if I have any views, I will delete my views here. So we'll always go with the one program only, like we'll try to change or delete views, models and all, and we will update that. So okay, don't get confused with that. Okay, so now what will happen? So now people tell me, so if I have this code, what will happen? Now tell me, what used to happen when we have this piece of code? I have some view here. What is the outcome of this project? If this program, if I run? With action result and return view, what is happening? No one is aware what is happening. People don't know. Correct, right? So now what I will do, I will change it to view result. View result. Now I will create one more view. Let's see what is the difference between those two. I mean, do we found any difference? Are we getting something else? We'll just see that and check for that. I'm adding. I'm just. I will just print one message here also. Here I will keep like I am from view result. View result. RESULT action method action. Okay. I done something. Now okay. Now before executing my program, what I need to check? Can someone tell me? Which file we need to check? Tell me which file we need to check. Ajay told something. Very good, guys. Very good. Excellent. Excellent routing. So just, I did not change anything, but still. So what is my controller name? TST. Okay, nice. And what is my action name? My view. So both are matching. Okay, now you can run the program. We'll see what is the difference between our previous output and this output. Okay, so now just run. See, this debugger yesterday I kept, right? That is like that only. See, do you guys found any difference here? See, people don't respond. That's what I don't like. Some people used to respond, and some people don't used to respond. Now no one is responding today. Do you found any difference when I run that program with action result and when I run the program with view result? So both are same, right? So if possible, try to join our 7:30 class once. Then you will understand how those people used to respond. So if I ask one question, minimum 25 responses from online, minimum 25 responses from offline, almost 50 responses used to come. See, this will kill the interest in me also if you people don't respond. How I will understand whether you people are getting an eye? There is no eye contact with the people for me. And I don't know whether you people are sleeping or whether you people are listening or whether you people are playing. So people can play Ludo game or people can play PUBG or something and people can attend the class. How would I know? So that's the reason, please respond so that I will think like, okay, these people are understanding. Even I will get more interest for delivering some more exciting concepts and all. Okay, please. Okay, so there is no difference. That means if you go with this action result, this if you go with this view result, both are same. But that action result is what? It's like a base class for all the action methods or something. So that consists of a definition of all the action. But anyway, so based upon situations and all, we'll go for like if you need view result, you will go for it. If you need something else, you can go for it. And even we can we can modify that action method also. We can create our own custom action method also. Okay. But anyway, that is not required for now. But just what you will do. So okay. So example for view result. Keep a heading and note down. View result example. Note down this one and that one line of code in view. Okay. Mm. So view, I mean, same view code only. Don't write everything, just body part. Then we'll go for the second one. Okay. So can I move into the second one? Okay. So partial view result, I will tell in the last, no, content result. Okay. Content result. So simple. We don't even go, we don't need view now. Okay. The magic here is keep it content result here, written content. Uh, I am from content result. So please practice this one. Why I'm saying, you know, so we'll come back to this index again. Okay. So index and in route config, we need to change. We need to change our views frequently so that people will remember, okay, I need to check in my route.config file. So you need to practice. See, I mean, 90% we don't use all the action results frequently, but it's better to have knowledge on all action results. Then what will happen? So when time comes or something, when your manager asks you to do something, then immediately, yeah, I know that, and you will work on it. So simple. If you have some idea, then that would be better. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Okay. I'm deleting. So again, I come back to my now. So what is this one content result? So someone asked me something here. No need of creating CSS statement. We'll see. We'll see. So Ashni. So I delete it actually. Okay. So fine. This one is what content. CONTENT. Okay. Okay. So now see here. People see here. Now before running my program, what I need to check again? Tell me. Routing because we changed what our action name. So come back to this routing can table route config.cs file and just change the action result name action name. So now we'll see the massing what content result will do. So yes, we got it right. Do we have any view now? No, still we got the output because of content result. Okay, simple content result is nothing but it will display the simple string. So that's what I mentioned here. Just note down this one, or you can no up to here only. So this content result here. So content result is the data type which is responsible for returning of content. We can pass the content like HTML, JavaScript, any other content we can pass. Simple string, whatever you want to pass, you can pass. The definition I will go for that program. So see, very easy programs. All are easy programs, one line programs. Don't get confused with that. Just practice once you will get it. Okay, so that example I'm going. We'll see that. We'll see that we have JavaScript result. We have something there. So the same thing you can use for content. Where is this? Okay, this one. Are you guys done with that? Okay. Okay, fine. So we'll see rest of the things tomorrow, like this JavaScript result, redirection results, and the JSON result and all. JSON result, I will give small example tomorrow, and we have one big example for JSON result, but we need some knowledge on model also. That's the reason. So we'll just go with a small example for tomorrow, and once we got the idea and model, then I will give that big example also. Okay, fine. Any more questions? If we add content result and view result methods in one home control to create two views.